Welcome back. Today we're diving into an essential aspect of TypeScript that helps in working with types more flexibly: casting types and type assertions. These concepts allow us to inform the TypeScript compiler about the specific type of an object, enabling us to work with it in a more defined way. Typecasting is about telling the compiler that a variable should be treated as a different type. However, TypeScript uses a different term: type assertion, since it doesn't actually change the type at runtime. Type assertions in TypeScript can be done in two ways: using the angle bracket syntax or the as syntax. Both achieve the same goal, but the as syntax is JSX compatible and is generally preferred. Here, some value is initially of type any. We use type assertion to tell TypeScript that some value should be treated as a string, enabling us to access the length property without TypeScript errors. Type assertions should be used when you have better knowledge about the type of a variable than TypeScript can infer. However, use them judiciously. Overusing type assertions can lead to code that compiles fine but fails at runtime. A common scenario for type assertions is when interacting with the DOM. When you fetch an element from the DOM, TypeScript types it as HTML element, which might not have the specific properties you need. Here we assert that the element with the ID main canvas is specifically an HTML canvas element, giving us access to canvas-specific properties and methods, like getContext. Type assertions are a powerful tool in TypeScript, allowing us to work with types more flexibly and confidently. By correctly applying type assertions, we can ensure our code is more type-safe and adheres to our expectations. As you practice, remember the importance of using type assertions wisely to avoid potential pitfalls. Join me next time as we explore more TypeScript features that can enhance your coding capabilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.